Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Chevrolet Camaro vs GT-R R35, which is better. Start by examining engine output, weight, handling, and everyday usability to form a fair opinion. I will walk through power, transmission choices, and driving feel, then touch on comfort and practicality for daily use. Finally, I will summarize who each car suits based on budget, purpose, and desired driving experience so you can decide with confidence. Let's focus on performance and handling details so you can feel the difference before test driving. We'll compare acceleration times, braking feel, and steering feedback in practical terms. I'll explain how drivetrain layouts influence traction and how electronic aids change the driving envelope. You'll learn which car favors stability versus agility, and what that means for weekend track laps or daily commutes, helping you pick the right tool. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more comparisons. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers for long driving days and pit stops to save time and money. Check the video description for the link and other deals so you can pick a set before your next road test. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll break down ownership costs and everyday practicality so the choice fits your life. I'll compare sticker prices, common extra options, and realistic fuel costs for typical driving. We'll also look at maintenance needs, insurance trends, and how easy repairs are. Finally, I'll assess interior comfort and cargo practicality to help you decide whether performance priorities outweigh daily usefulness for your situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.